What's up, everybody? We're back with another edition of my blogs or vlogs, whatever you want to call it. I am here in the Blue Planet studio, about to lay down some tracks for my man Will Shine. As you can see, let me just give you a tour. This right here, listening seats. You got all the fine tunings of a studio. You see my man Will right there. What's up, Wills? So anyway, we're here about to lay down some bass tracks and we'll make it happen. We got well, it's a recording board here. You got the rooms. There's another entrance there. As you can see, everything is acoustically set. Fit perfectly meant for a studio. There's a piano room in there. I guess I'll be recording in here. I'll hit you guys up later. Some more info. Hopefully you guys will hear the track. Maybe later, I don't know. We'll see. So then, deuces. See you in a bit.